Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Ever wondered how to turn plain numbers into dollars, euros, or even pounds in Excel? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to do that, and even how to deal with decimals, symbols, and those tricky negative numbers. Let's jump right in. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to format cells into different currencies, control decimal places, handle negative values like a pro, and make your sales data pop with just a few clicks. Let's say you're managing a small dataset like this. Click and drag to highlight columns B, C, and D, the January to March profits figures. Now, right-click anywhere in the selected range and choose Format Cells. Or just press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard to open Format Cells dialog box. In the Format Cells window, go to the Number tab and select Currency from the list. From the drop-down, pick the US dollar. Or change it to Euro, Pound, Rupee, whatever you need. You can choose how many decimal places you want. Pick 2 decimal places for cents. Or choose 0 for whole numbers only. Now, choose how Excel shows negative numbers. In red, with parentheses, or just a simple minus sign. Choose whatever you want. Hit OK and boom. Your data is now currency formatted and looks sharp. Here's a pro tip. If you want your dollar signs to line up perfectly in a column, instead of floating next to each number, try using the accounting format. Here's how. At first, select your profit numbers. Press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells. Go to the Number tab, then choose Accounting. Now watch the magic happen. All dollar signs will align to the left. Numbers will stay neatly lined up. Even zero values will show up as a dash, which looks cleaner. This gives your spreadsheet a more polished, professional look. Especially great for financial reports or business summaries. Need to change currency based on region? Just go back to Format Cells. Then go to Currency and pick any symbol. Now click OK. Excel supports tons of currencies, great for international work. And there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more tips that save time. Drop a comment if you want to learn more formatting tricks or have a specific scenario in mind. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.